What we're going to work on now is the hip cars. So as always, same principles apply. Create tension through here, try and limit everything else from moving. And you're just going to be drawing a circle with your hips. There's a couple of different ways you can do this, but the best way to start is with the standing cars. So I'm going to show you from the side first, and then I'll show you from the front as well. So from the side, I'm going to hold onto the wall. So now in this position, I'm going to create a little bit of tension through here, and I'm going to be doing the cars with my left leg. So my right leg is going to create some tension. I'm going to squeeze my glute, and I'm going to try and cement my leg into the floor. You don't want to be sort of cheating too much like this. So just holding onto the wall for balance, create some tension in my right leg, tension through here. And then from there, I'm just going to raise my knee up towards my chest. As I come up, go as far as you can without sort of hunching in the lower back. You want to feel the front of your hip working. Then I'm going to open up as far as I can. Then I'm going to bring that ankle up, and I'm going to try and get it so that the ankle and the knee are sort of perpendicular to the ground. Now for some of you, you might come here and this is all you've got. If you're struggling to get that hip up, it's okay to drop the knee a little bit, but try to keep the knee as high as possible. So here, lift that foot up, try and keep the knee and the ankle in line. I'm going to push back, and then I'm going to squeeze my glute, push my heel backwards. So I'm doing this. As I do this, you want to be mindful not to extend the lower back. So I'm coming here, through there, kick the heel back, squeeze the glute, and then come back to the center. Then reverse, heel back, squeeze the glute. Now start to bring that knee out to the side. Try and keep the knee and the foot perpendicular. And then from there, you're going to rotate. So then you're going to start to bring that heel forward. And then you're going to finish up through here. So I'll show you what one looks like in full speed. So up, here, around and back, reverse, there. And from the front, so from this position, I've got nothing to hold on to. If you want, get something like this, a little pole. So if you want, get something like this, a little pole, balance on a broomstick, chair, whatever. Otherwise, use your hands to balance. So from here, create a bit of tension in my fists for my balance. I'm going to bring it up, out, pivot, and then back. Back, up, and out. Okay, show you the other side. Up, here, through there. Common things to watch out for is when you are extending like this, don't extend the back. When you're here, don't round the back. Another thing to watch out for is that when you're here, a lot of people tend to, when they start to try to bring that back foot up, you tend to hunch in here or they lean that way. Try not to sort of hunch like that too much. If you're really struggling to bring that foot up, then just drop the knee slightly. So you can see if I'm like really trying to keep it high, it can be quite difficult. So it's okay to drop the knee a little bit. Just be mindful not to hunch too much. Watch out for those compensations.